Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2015 Chevy Corvette Stingray. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I would like for you to know that there are some chips on the front. There's one right here. There's another one right here. And there's one right there. Okay. I don't see any other paint chips, so I do see one right here. But that's all. Now let's take a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I'm not seeing any paint chips on the hood or no scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks good. I'm not seeing any paint chips or dents here. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. The door is in good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches at all or no dents. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now let's take a look at the back of the car. The trunk is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches on it at all. Everything back here is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the passenger door. I'm not seeing any scratches on the door, but on the mirror I do see a small paint chip. And the fender is in excellent condition. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that everything here is fine. Perfect. I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel buttons are in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the leather and stitching. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.